So what's this grammar? The grammar is S derives A or B, and A derives small a. This is the grammar. S derives A, B or A, and A derives small a. There are three productions in this. Now they are asking, they are asking us to reduce it. Reduce means minimize the grammar. So just like finite automata, a grammar can also be minimized. There is actually procedure, right? So the procedure will take some time. Okay, let's go with it. Maybe in theory question also, if you get a problem like this, it will be useful for you. The procedure is this. First thing is, you have to check that every variable that is present in the resulting grammar should be able to derive a string, which means you should check the derivability, right? For example, S is able to derive the string small a, and capital A is able to derive the string small a, but capital B is not able to derive anything, right? That is how you check the derivability. So in this one, if you observe this, what are the variables that you have? S, A and B, right? So every variable should be able to derive something, but here S is able to derive something, which means S is able to derive small a, and capital A is able to derive small a, right? Directly or indirectly, but here they are directly deriving it. But then B is not deriving anything, isn't it? In fact, B is not having any production here. Therefore, B is useless. So whenever any variable is useless, eliminate it, either if it is present in the left hand side or right hand side. Therefore, you have to eliminate this one. B is useless. Then what is remaining? The productions are now S derives A and A derives small a. These are the two productions that we have now, right? And now in these two productions, the second factor that you have to consider is reachability. It is not just enough that a variable is able to derive something, you should be able to reach that, right? So here, if you see, S is the starting symbol. In general, that is the convention. They are supposed to give it, but they didn't give it. But assume that S is the starting symbol. From S, you should be able to reach A. Earlier you are able to reach from S A, but after deleting this, see, don't delete only B alone, you have to delete completely. After deleting this production, you cannot reach A directly, isn't it? Therefore, A has become unreachable. So delete all the productions which are unreachable. Therefore, you are going to delete A. Completely it is going to be deleted. Then what is remaining? S derives A is remaining. Got it? Therefore, the final answer is S derives A. So C is the answer. Okay. This question is given in 2010. Fine. So again, for complete method, you please watch GATE lectures only. Right?